Play video. Hi everyone, you remember me? Joseph will make a film with, I don't know, but we will make a film and this will be very excited. You will be A-okay or you'll be not A-okay. What is that sound? It's my small brother. I like him. Now we'll make a video. Play video. Okay, Pokey. You will be Mr. Maheshwaran. Okay, but what Mr. Maheshwaran do? Steal? I think his laughing was... no. He's not laughing, was... What? I said, just what? Just be cosplay, with Mrs. Maheshwaran. I don't think so. Just do it. Okay, Happy. You will do Mr. Watterson. Mr. Watterson. Shut up. Mr. Watterson? Yeah, Mr. Watterson. Watterson? Watterson. What? Watterson. I think Watterson. What? What you? You too, what? What I say before? You what to say before? Shut up. Shut up to you. I'm never gonna be cosplay that. No, wait. Okay, I was just joking. So, what Mr. Water do? Mr. Watterson. Okay. So Watterson. Okay. You, Pokey, need to steal. You need to steal a money. I don't have a money. No. There are. Where? Where is it? 50. 50. Okay. Me? You need to stop him. Oh, this is not bad. Okay, now let's play the video. In this this thief like to do a bad thing. Wants to steal a money.